So there's two types of RV windows. Let's cover them in under a minute. Let's start with the framed window and its pros and cons. The pro of a framed window is the size of their opening. It's always 50% typically of the opening portion of the window. The con, however, is not quite as sexy as the other type. Let's cover it. Here's your frameless window. Let's cover some pros and cons. The con some can consider is the size of their opening. Right now I have this one fully open. The pro of this window is some consider it sexier than the framed window and more sleek. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you a fan of the framed window with a huge opening for ventilation? Or of the frameless window which has a little bit smaller opening but some consider sexier and sleek? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.